Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Virtual English channel, your virtual class English subject at school. Before we are going to go to material, if you have subscribed the channel, don't forget like, subscribe. First to get the latest video. Hello, good morning everybody. Yeah. Okay, I hope you all fine today. And don't forget, you must stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy with your beloved family. Amin. Today, we are going to study virtual classroom about prepositional phrase. Okay, I want to ask you, who knows the prepositional first? Okay, if you don't know about that, now I would like to explain it more about the prepositional phrase today. Before we are going to study about the prepositional phrase, would like to show you on the slide objective of the study about prepositional phrase. For the first, students are able to identify concept and the functional of the text with prepositional phrase. Jadi yang pertama yang harus dilakukan tentu saja adalah kalian mengidentifikasi konsep dan fungsi-fungsi dari teks yang menggunakan frase preposisional. Itu yang tujuannya ya. Jadi Anda harus pahami itu. Yang kedua, the second one, understand the linguistic element of the text with prepositional phrase. Jadi kamu harus memahami elemen-elemen bahasa yang digunakan di dalam teks dengan prepositional phrase. The third, complete a sentence with the right choice of prepositional phrase. Yang ketiga, kalian harus melengkapi sebuah kalimat dengan menggunakan pilihan yang tepat, menggunakan prepositional phrase. Yang keempat, the fourth, pronounce a technical language by using prepositional phrase correctly. Jadi Anda semua harus belajar bagaimana kalian bisa mengucapkan bahasa secara teknik dengan menggunakan prepositional phrase. Bagaimana menggunakan falling, rising intonation, function of language, dan harus kalian pahami itu supaya tidak ada miscommunication di dalam pengertiannya. Okay? The five, compile sentence by using prepositional phrase correctly. Yang kelima, tentu saja Anda harus bisa menyusun atau membuat sebuah kalimat dengan menggunakan prepositional phrase yang benar tentunya. Sampai di sini ada pertanyaan? Kalau ada pertanyaan, ada yang kurang paham, nanti kalian bisa tanyakan di dalam grup. Oke, sekarang kita akan lanjutkan dengan apa itu prepositional phrase. Oke, ready? Oke, prepositional phrase is a group of words containing preposition. Jadi prepositional phrase itu adalah sebuah kumpulan kata-kata yang berisi kata depan atau preposisi. A prepositional phrase function as an untied part of speech. It normally consists of a preposition and noun or a preposition and a pronoun. Jadi sebuah prepositional phrase atau kumpulan kata preposisi atau kata depan berfungsi sebagai bagian di dalam sebuah bahasa. Secara umum atau normal biasanya terdiri dari sebuah kata depan dan sebuah kata benda, atau sebuah kata depan dan sebuah kata ganti orang. Sampai di sini, is it clear? If you are clear, I think we are going to read together and listen to me the first, and after that repeat up to me together in your virtual classroom at home. Okay, ready? Listen to me first, right? Okay, number one. He went to the living room to find his car key. Okay, once more. Okay, repeat up to us. Repeat together. Okay, once more. Go. He went to the living room to find his car key. Good. Very good. Next. Listen to me and follow me together right now. Okay? Go. Have you ever met the lady with a scar on her right hand? Have you ever met the lady with a scar on her right hand? Right hand. Yeah, using falling intonation because it is the question. Have you ever met the lady with a scar on her right hand? Okay, very good. Good, very good. Next. Prepositional phrase divided into 6 means by, purpose, for, time, in, on, at, addition, beside, cause, because of or from, place, between, among, in, on, at. Okay, now we are going to explain one by one. What is means? Means, I think, by. For instance, here, all of you, we are going to read together in this classroom, virtual classroom. Okay, all of you, repeat up to me. Go. The teacher explains the lesson clearly by setting examples. I think by di sini guru menerangkan pelajaran dengan jelas, dengan setting penjelasan, dengan contoh-contoh penjelasan. Jadi by di sini menunjukkan means, arti atau oleh, dengan. Clear? Okay. Next, purpose or for. Purpose here I think means for. Mona is born in a small village. Jadi Mona itu dilahirkan di sebuah kota kecil atau desa yang kecil, desa yang terpencil. Jadi dia lahir di sebuah desa yang terpencil. Jadi purpose di sini artinya purpose atau for. The third, yang ketiga, time, waktu, menggunakan in, on, at. Kita suka pergi ke pantai pada saat musim panas. Jadi pada saat itu menunjukkan time. When, saat, ketika, at. Okay? Now next, addition or beside. For instance here, okay, repeat up to me together, all of you. A doctor must have good personality beside knowledge. Good. Jadi seorang dokter juga harus mempunyai kepribadian yang baik. Di samping juga dia harus pengetahuan yang mumpuni tentu saja. Yang paling pokok adalah mempunyai personality, kepribadian yang baik itu jauh lebih penting. Okay? Beside as an addition, right? Okay, good. Next, cause, because of, or from. For instance, like here, repeat up to me together, all of you. Cristiano Ronaldo went to Amsterdam because of his injured ankle. Jadi, Cristiano Ronaldo pergi ke Amsterdam karena kakinya terluka. Good. Is it clear ya? Next, if you are clear. Place, between, among, in, on, at. For instance, here, all of you, listen to me carefully and repeat up to me together. She is standing between those two old men. She is standing between those two old men. Dia berdiri di antara dua laki-laki tua. Jadi dia menunjukkan tempat di antara. Is it clear ya? Okay, I think it is enough. Any question about this? Okay, now we are going to the next. How to use prepositional phrase as description, as time, as location, and as direction. For their description, I think for instance like all of you, listen to me carefully and repeat up to me together. Go. In the blue overcoat. Good. Good. With a red tie. Yes, in short pants, with a smiling face. With a smiling face. Good. Okay. Next prepositional phrase as a time. For instance, like this here. All of you, repeat up to me together and please reread. Read together. Okay? Listen to me and repeat up to me right now. Go. During the rain. At night. On Saturday. Until the end of the day. Okay, that is about the time, right? Alright. Now about the location. Outside the house. Outside the house. On the rooftop. Near the window. Inside the cupboard. Very good. Next, we are going to talk about the direction of prepositional phrase here. For instance, to the sea. From school. Across the street. Into the room. Okay, is it clear? Okay, if is it clear, we are continue to the next. Prepositional phrase function as an adjective or adverb. Jadi di sini prepositional phrase atau frase preposisi berfungsi sebagai kata sifat dan sebagai kata keterangan. For instance, like here, listen to me carefully and repeat up to me together. Look at the slide. Ready? Okay. The book with the plastic cover has been read many times. Jadi di sini semuanya menunjukkan adjective. Ya, once more. The book with the plastic cover has been read many times. Jadi buku dengan sampul plastik ini sudah dibaca beberapa kali. Ini merujuk kepada adjective. Jadi dia menjelaskan kata benda. Ya, menjelaskan apa? Menjelaskan buku. Buku sebagai kata benda. Jadi kita gunakan apa? Gunakan statement atau gunakan falling intonation. Ya, karena ini kalimatnya statement, right? Alright. Okay, next. Now, once more and repeat up to me together. Okay, go. Without a GPS, we will lose our way in the town. Without a GPS, we will lose our way in the town. Jadi di sini without of GPS itu lebih kepada menjelaskan adverb atau kata keterangan. Okay? Is clear? Good. Next. The tiger crept slowly behind the tree. Ya, ini juga behind di sini di belakang motor pohon itu menjelaskan adverb atau kata keterangan. Okay, until here any question? Okay, I hope you can understand what I explained it and you can study more again at home. Repeat it again. After you get it, you understand what you study about the prepositional phrase, you please, every student, make the conclusion about prepositional phrase, and don't forget, every student must make one sentence. Yeah, only look at the example, and you must make one sentence based on the example that I gave to you before. Only one sentence by using your own word. Is it ready? Okay, very good. I hope you have studied fun learning today with me. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.